Hi everyone, my name is Lindy and welcome back to my channel, the Yellow Rose Craft Room. I am doing a collab with two ladies. It's called the Mayday, Never a Card When You Need One collab with My World and OKC and Jody's Craft Room. I contacted both ladies. I emailed Jody, but it's been the weekend and I know she's been a little busy, so I haven't heard from her. So then I contacted Tammy at My World at OKC, and she said anybody can join. I just have to post a video of my cards that I made and kind of like tag her or send her the link or something like that. So that's what I'm going to do. And these are the two cards that I came up with. It was so much fun to do this, and I think you make 10 cards out of like 5 weeks, I believe that is. So you make 2 a week. And I had all the supplies at home. I'll start off with this one. This one says just a little hello, and I added my own personal gemstone. I had some pink cardstock, and what I did is I took an old card, which was what this is, and I cut the backing off and I just glued it on here, and I left the inside blank because I ordered a stamp that says something about bunnies. There's like a "Aren't you bunny having a good day?" or hop in, you have a good day, or something like that. I ordered out of Amazon, and when I was making this card, I was like, oh my gosh, this would be perfect. So I was like, oh, I don't have it. So there's this one, and I think, I don't know, I'll leave it blank and I may write. I mean, there's plenty of room for me to write if I want to send somebody a hello. But this cute little spring with the bunny, and I had my own personal gemstone. This is a 4x6 card, so you can buy an envelope or you can make envelopes. I make my own envelopes, but I don't have one ready as of yet. But here's my first card. My second card is this one. Like I said, this is another old card that I have received. I just cut off the backing, and I like using old cards, and I believe when I watch Jody, she does old cards as well, and I was like, oh my gosh, we are so much the same. We're so like each other. But I added my own personal gemstones. I don't know if you see them, they're like yellowish, like a dark goldish yellow color. I added my own gemstones, and like when you open the card, I just cut out the saying. It says, "This greeting comes to cheer you with a friendly word or two, and then to say the warmest thoughts are always there with you." And I just cut out some purple cardstock to match some of the purple on the front of the card and put it on the screen. And you know, it gives you a lot of writing up here, and you put love, whoever, or put the date up here. It just gives you a lot of time. And on the back, I'm going to put handmade from, and then the Yellow Rose Craft Room. Handmade from the Yellow Rose Craft Room. So that includes my week 1 of my collab, my Mayday, Never a Card When You Need One collab with My World in OKC and Jody's Craft Room. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to me, and I love to have you on at my craft room. Hope everyone has a great day, and God bless you all.